Look at number 1. You notice number 1 is a quadratic, right? And the quadratic must be in standard form. The quadratic must be in standard form. Notice that standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c, right? You remember that standard form, and this is in standard form. That's in standard form. So what we're going to do is same as usual, right? We're gonna say what a is. What is a?
6.
6, right? B, what is b?
-7.
All right, -7. And Zia, what is c?
Okay, C, -24.
Thank you, excellent, very good. All right, and what about AC? AC?
-144.
Right, -144. 6 times -24. This will give me -144. Right? So when we do our x, remember AC is gonna come here and B is gonna come here. Right? AC is actually -144. Remember, B will go here and B is -7. Now we're going to look for factors. First, we're going to look for factors of 144, right? So we're looking for factors of 144, right? And we're going to go through all these factors until we get the ones that will give us -7. Right? I know it says -144, but I'm just going to do it without the negative first, just to get close, and then I zero in on what I need to do. So I know that I'm going to start with 1, right? So 1 times 144 is 144. I can't combine 1 and 144 to get 7. Now I'm going to try 2. So 2 times, what I'm really doing, I'm dividing 144 by 2. Those numbers will not get me 7. Then we'll try 3, right? You notice we're going up. We're going to divide 144 by 3. All right?
That's 48. You use 48.
All right, good. And we can't use 3 and 48 to get 7, right? Even if we make 3 negative, or if we make 48 negative, it won't work. So let's try 4, right? 4 times what give you 144? 4 times what? You're dividing 144 by 4. 144.
36.
All right.
36.
Excellent, Jade. Excellent. 36. I think that's your voice I heard first. All right. So.
Yeah, that was me.
All right. Cool. All right, so 5. If we try 5, we're going to get decimals, right? So we're going to skip 5. So we do 144 divided by 5. Notice we get 28.8. We can't get any decimal. If we get any decimal, we can't use it. So we go to 6. We go to 6, right? We skip 5 and go to 6. 6 times what give you?
24.
All right, 24, right? And so we're getting close. If we make the 6 negative, we'll get like 18. But we want to get 7, right? So this won't work either. So let's try 8. No, 7. Let's try 7. When we try 7, do we get a decimal?
7 won't work. You get a decimal.
All right. So we need to go to 8. So 8 times what give me 144? One of the young ladies, go ahead and tell me. One young lady.
18 times 18.
8 times 18? Okay.
Correct.
This won't work, right? Because if I make the 18 negative, I'll get -10. So we need to try again. Let's go 9.
16.
9 times what?
16.
All right. 9 times 16. All right, we are onto something here. We're actually onto something. This may be your guy. Look now. Look now. If I make the 16 negative, right? I get negative 144. If I add 9 plus negative 16, notice I'll get what?
Negative 7.
Negative 7, and that's what I want. Because that's what I want, I'm going to put these in right here. Negative 16 and 9. If only one is negative, it's best you put it first. If only one of the factors are negative, right? All right, what we're going to do with this negative 16 and this 9, we're going to actually add our variable to it, right? So negative 16v plus 9v will give me negative 7v. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to replace negative 7v with negative 16v plus 9v. So I'll have 6v squared, right? Then I'm going to have negative 6v plus 9v. And then we have minus 24. Because I have my 4 terms, I'm going to actually do my grouping now. I'm going to group. Remember to group. Alright, we group those and we're going to factor these now. 2v, we have 3v here, and then we have negative 16v minus 2v will get negative 8. And over here we'll take out positive, that's that positive right there. We're going to take out a 3. Right? And then we're going to be left with 3v minus 8. And then we know that we will have 3v minus 8 in parentheses times 2v plus 3. Right? And those are our factors. That's exactly what you need to do. This was a very good problem because we had to spend some time to get those factors. So that's what makes it good for an example, because you get to see how to work your way through the different factors to get to the one that you need. Let me show you something. All right, you see this and this? That's this, because I factor this out, right? So when I factor that out, it comes as a factor, right? So in other words, this thing that repeats twice, I put it in front as one factor. And then this guy, this comes here, and this comes here, right? See it now?
Yes, I understand.
Right.
If you found this video interesting or you learned something from it, go ahead and click a like. Go ahead and comment and share. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.